it's time to wake up Asia because we have daycare today, and then I'm going to surprise her. Asia, wake up.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. You have daycare today.
Oh, okay. Ooh. I saw a bug. Is it still there? No. Okay.
Okay, you're going to get dressed, and then I'm going to
Me too. I'm going to get dressed.
Okay, well, I'm going to make her some breakfast. I'm going to make her some baby food, so I have to get the order. I have to get it from the fridge. There's still some baby food, not a lot left.
Hi, good morning, Mama. I'm all dressed. And I'm ready to go.
Okay, I just have to wait for your baby food to be done, and then you're going to eat it, and then we're going to...
I ain't no baby. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl now. Yeah, bye.
Big girl food.
I'm watching TV. I can't reach.
Oh, I'm on the fire.
Well, I can't reach it. Okay, I can't. My legs don't work like that.
You put it up. Ask me to turn it
Don't have to worry about going to school today. This is gonna be a good day. Okay, time to sit
Got your
down.
baby food.
Ooh, thank you. Very yummy. Very, very yummy. Very good. Very. Thank you.
Welcome. Are you ready to go daycare?
Yep, I'm done. I finished. Bye bye. Let's go.
Okay, well,
No. Yeah. Okay.
we're going to drive to daycare.
The school. Finally, I can go to school and don't have to go like my mom yelling at me. The kids in my grade are so annoying. They're always like, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to do that. Like, please be quiet. Oh, wrong class. Uh-oh. I hate kids, honestly. Except me. Because, I'm number one, of course. We all know that. Oh, there's nothing to do. There's something really good. Can I climb the wall? Nope, and I'll probably get in trouble for that. Because they always like, blah, 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 blah. You can't do this, you can't do that. Like, I get it. Please. Just focus. It's like no one here. I think my mom may have dropped me off at the wrong time. Not fully sure. Really, but okay. Whatevs. Almost walked into the wrong class again. I need to stop almost walking in the wrong class. It's so embarrassing. Ooh. Think that gets me height? Ooh. Think that leads to oof. Not a good idea, but good idea. Mom! Yes. Hi, Mom. Please get me out of this prison. Oh, ow. That kind of hot. Yeah. Oh, 2, 3. Boo!
Oh my god!
Hi.
What were you doing right behind me?
Nothing at all. I'm doing nothing.
Well, we're gonna go back to the house to get some rest because you have not been getting a lot of rest lately. Waking up so early and going to bed so late.
Because you wake me up in the morning.
My fault.
Mom, it's not the way home.
It's to go to the beach.
We're not going to the beach.
Yes, we are.
Yay, we're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to bed. Oh, wait. That's going to be copyrighted.
Go over there to go get changed. Go behind.
Okay. Oh, what's in there? Oh, there you can't go in there.
Nope, that's the lifeguard spot.
Okay, but I wanted to go in there.
It's the lifeguard spot.
Uh-oh. Okay, got my bathing suit on and I'm ready to roll, Mom. Mom, you coming? Oh, okay. Mom, did you see that? Wasn't that cool?
Yep.
Right? What happened? No? Like, ow.
I thought you didn't have your swimming lessons.
Shh, we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Okay.
Well, what are you gonna say to them?
Say what? Oh, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're making a part soon. Too soon. Bye.